Have you ever seen someone cooking something very delicious, or he's cutting some red bell pepper so that he can actually prepare some Chinese rice? And whenever the Chinese rice is ready, how do you want to eat your Chinese rice? You want to make sure that you're eating your Chinese rice when it's smoking hot and served hot. Now, to ensure that you get the latest videos straight off the oven, straight off the pan, make sure you subscribe. But subscribing is not enough. If you want to get the hottest food, instead of eating the cold food, you want to click the bell icon as well, because clicking the bell icon ensures that you get a notification pop up on your mobile phone or on your channel. So make sure you click that one. Let's jump straight into the video. Welcome everyone, and welcome back to TWT token. Yesterday actually tried to buy it. I got some failure as well, and but it seems to me that you're finally popping out of some resistance here, which looks like it's really interested to start to move a little bit higher. Unfortunately, I got a little bit unlucky. So right now it seems like you're making that pennant. What I'm gonna do is remove the lines right there, and you have something like this at the moment. So where you have this one resistance here, you go one rejection right there, one rejection right there, and in 36 minutes now, this is for the first time you're about to make that little bit of a bullish closing to the upside. So could be the time to start to continue higher, because we might get a little bit of a retest and that one retest is going to be down to that line near 2.1164. And again, that can be another one last buying opportunity at 2.1164. It seems like I bought a little bit earlier yesterday, and I got a little bit unlucky there. But let's see how it does today, because all I see is nothing more than another pennant here, striking off the pennant, and giving you the reality is that you still have a technical target to move to the upside. So it's believable, okay? Shoot up like this, make a pennant, break out, maybe come down for the retest again, and shoot to the moon, go to 4.6 finally. I got unlucky, but maybe this time I could still try to buy it once again, one more time. I don't know, but still, to me personally, it feels kind of good, looks kind of good. And let's look at the daily time frame as well, because it's quite important. Yeah, the daily time frame also shows that we're still popping out of it. So yeah, you're looking to do something like that. Yeah, the pennant is still there. On the daily, the pennant is pretty much clear, breaking out, and you're trying to move higher from this pennant at the moment. So yeah, 4.6 is potentially now a very, very favorable scenario. So let's see, maybe another entry, one more last time, another try down to 2.190. By the way, let's look at the EMAs. Yeah, if you look at the EMAs, what I mean to say is maybe go back to retest this 20 or the 10 one once again, and retest this broken trend line again, and hold this level entry there, boom, push to the upside. So that's pretty much it for this update on TWT at the moment. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.